Medications. We all use them. But how can we be sure they're authentic and safe? 10 to 15% of the world's drug supply is counterfeit. Criminals mislabel drugs to scam consumers, selling the authentic product on the black market. The pharmaceutical industry loses hundreds of billions in profit. Over 100,000 patients lose their lives every year. The U.S. government, along with other nations, are combating these problems with regulations like the Drug Supply Chain Security Act, demanding complete visibility into a drug's journey from manufacturer to patient. But increased regulation also means increased complexity for a vast and diverse supply chain. Introducing rfxcel. rfxcel enables supply chain participants to track their products, integrating data between manufacturers, distributors and repackagers, and clinics and pharmacies. Each shipment is assigned a serial number. At every handoff, the receiving party scans that number. rfxcel instantly provides a digital report with data points about the product and its history, and aggregates the data in a relationship hierarchy, so recipients can gain complete visibility into every pallet, case, and bottle. And patients can feel confident that their medications are authentic and safe. rfxcel, a leader in patient safety through traceability.